In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your LinkedIn password if you forgot it. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you can secure your account and regain access without any hassle. First things first, head over to the LinkedIn website or open the app on your device. On the home page, you'll notice a small profile icon labeled Me, typically located at the top of the screen. Click on that icon, which will take you to a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including its security features. Once you're in the settings, look for the option that says Sign In and Security. This section is the key to managing your password and account security. Within this area, you'll find the Change Password option. Don't click on it just yet. Instead, look for another link that says Forgot Password. This is what you need if you've forgotten your current LinkedIn password. Click on Forgot Password. At this step, you'll be prompted to enter either the email address or the phone number associated with your LinkedIn account. Make sure you provide the correct information. LinkedIn will use this to verify your identity. After entering the required details, click on Next. Now, LinkedIn will send a verification code to the email or phone number you entered, provided it matches an existing account. Keep an eye on your inbox or text for this code. Once you receive it, return to LinkedIn and enter the code in the space provided. Simply copy the code from your email or text message and paste it into the box on LinkedIn, then click Submit. Once your code is verified, you'll be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. Enter your new password and then retype it to ensure there are no mistakes. Adding a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols can help make your password more secure. You'll also notice an option to sign out of all other devices. This is a useful security measure, especially if you think someone else might have access to your account. If you choose this option, you'll be logged out of LinkedIn on any other devices where your account is open. If that isn't a concern for you, feel free to leave it unchecked. Finally, click on Submit. And just like that, your LinkedIn password will be successfully reset. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reset your LinkedIn password. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.